super smooth. Steering feels good. Drives like a dream. Brakes feel good. Transmission shifts nice and smooth. What's going on, guys? Nick here at Exotic Motorsports in Oklahoma. We're going to do a visual condition report on this gorgeous Cadillac Fleetwood. You have a couple touch-up spots here, a few scuffs. A couple scuffs up here, a little rock chip. Got a few chips here. Those wheels look really good. Making our way down the passenger door here. Got a little chip there. A couple small imperfections. Got some scratches right there. You have a few dings and chips right here. And then a little bit of corrosion. It looks like it's been touched up. A few more small chips. And then we got a chip down here. The wheel looks good. Here on the top. That looks really nice. And looking at the front end, it looks amazing. Headlights are nice and clear. Now you're going to have a few imperfections on this, but overall very clean. Got some rock chips here. This looks like a really small crack maybe. A couple more rock chips, a few small scuffs. Got a chip right here. Otherwise, this front end looks phenomenal. And then checking out this side, it looks really good. Those wheels are very clean. Making our way down the fender, you're gonna see a couple scuffs here and there. Got two gashes there that have been touched up. Got a chip here, two chips there and one there, and those have been touched up. Some really minor scuffs right there. And you have some scuffs down here, a little transfer of some sort. Looking at the top, the only real flaw that I see is right here. Looks like something sat on top of it and stained it a little. But you can just look around and see a couple small stains. Overall, the condition is really nice. Still nice and soft. Then looking at the back bumper here, you're gonna see a few little creases in it. Overall, very clean though. Taillights look good. Couple minor scuffs. Those do not catch your nail. Now the original dealer emblem is here, and we left that on there. The owner wanted to keep it there just for the nostalgicness of it. Looks really cool. Checking out the interior, it is a non-smoker, and this thing is a time capsule. The biggest flaw on this entire interior is here on the driver door panel, and it's this little bitty crack right there. Everything else is immaculate. A couple little stains on the carpet, but just looking at all the attention to detail and all this wood grain, everything looks really good. These seats are still nice and soft. A couple little spots here where you have some wear. This looks amazing. Got the wood grain on the steering wheel. All of this looks awesome. Couple small cracks here and there. And looking at the attention to detail here, all of this looks awesome. 42,000 miles. This upper dash, I don't see any flaws on it. This thing is so clean. Very cool. Here on the back left door panel, a couple imperfections here. That handle looks good. Carpets look clean. All of that looks really nice. Kick plate area is clean. And then these seats look amazing as well. I don't see really any flaws that stand out. Seat backs look good. Looking at the front passenger door panel. All of this looks awesome. Very clean. Carpets look good. The door jambs look nice. Got a couple stains here on the carpet. Looking at these seats, they're awesome. Super clean, nice and soft. A little scuff here, a couple wrinkles on the top, but otherwise looks really good. You can see all the attention to detail here. Tiny scuff right there. The headliner looks good. I mean, this thing is just mint in here. And looking at this door panel, got a little imperfection right there. Everything else looks awesome. Kick plate area looks good. Footrests look nice. Seat backs are super clean. I mean, these seats are still nice and soft. They look amazing.